Well, hello and welcome back to Seaside Garage. Today we're going to change the rear wheel bearing on the 106 Rallye. Before I lift it up, I'm going to loose the wheel nuts and then lift it up a little bit, like that. There is no play in this bearing, but you can hear the disc, of course, but you can also hear a lot of rumbling. So I'm pretty sure this bearing is shot. So let's change it. Wheel off, like this. Then we need to take off the brake disc. But to take the brake disc off, I need to remove these small retaining screws, torque screws. Then I can release the brake caliper with the two screws on the rear. And again, don't let it hang in the brake line. Like this. And it's off. And then I'm just going to put one of the bolts back in to keep it where it is. Next up, I will have to remove this dust cap. Like that. Then we can loosen up this. Oh, that needs a lot of force. And a washer. And then we maybe are able to just pull it off. But I think we need a puller. Yeah, we do. But it is coming slowly. Oh no. The inner ring stayed in place. Let's hope that the puller can actually grab onto that. It's difficult to cut off in there. Like this. And then comes the easy part, hopefully. A new bearing in the hub just needs to be pushed on. Like that. Oh, that was easy. Lovely. Then a new axle bolt. Install the brake disc. Oh, and by the way, the bearing is greased in there when you get it. If not, then you need to remember to put some grease in it. Because if you forget, then it won't last up very long. I like that. And then lock it. And then the dust cap is very important. Wrecked it pretty much, so a new one would be best. But until I get one, I'm gonna reuse this. I'm just gonna make sure that it seals fairly all right. It's going to be a bit difficult. Like that. Then on with the wheel. And then it should be good to go. Again. I'm sorry the car is so dirty. It's just winter time, and if I take anything outside, it's dirty. And this car is my winter car at the moment. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it. There will be many more videos like this. Just keep in mind that I'm not a professional, so I'm doing stuff wrong from time to time. Sometimes I destroy more than I fix and so on, but just keep that in mind if you use my videos as guides. And it's only the brake disc we can hear. That's perfect. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.